As a part of the EU-STRAT project, we are also researching scientific cooperation between the EU partners and Eastern Partnership countries. And we are going to tell you what we found so far about the scientific impact of this cooperation on the countries that we are researching.
For example, we noticed that in many countries there are the same institutions that tend to participate in a lot of EU-supported projects. And the reason for it is what many of our interviewees called a vicious circle, which means that you have to have a great scientific portfolio to even apply for a EU cooperation project, but at the same time you can't really build up your portfolio without having participated in at least a few scientific projects with European Union partners.
We also found some other common challenges for all three countries, Belarus, Moldova and Ukraine. And one of these challenges, one of them was language practice and language education, and they try to persuade us, our respondents, that sometimes the knowledge of language is not enough to participate in EU projects. But also they mentioned that sometimes there are no enough capacities, institutional capacities, to conduct European projects within EIP countries, and also unequal allocation of fundings between EIP partners and EU partners. It means that sometimes people from EIP institutions and partners from EIP institutions do not get the same salaries as their partners. So there were main challenges they mentioned, but there were also other.
And probably one of the broader lessons that we have learned is that in general, assessment of policy and social impact is very, very difficult, especially that policymakers often work in different timelines than scientists. Science takes it step by step and develops over time, adds just a little brick of knowledge one step at a time, and that was also emphasized by our interviewees. But policymakers very often have to respond to current events and have a fast decision. And more you can learn in our work package 7, and especially in the last paper that we have on scientific cooperation's impact.